Forex trading. What is forex trading? You're about to find that out in a few minutes. So yeah, guys, welcome to Forex Beginner School. So in this video here, I'm gonna teach you what forex trading is and how does forex trading work. As a complete beginner in 2024, you might be wondering what's forex trading, what's this thing that people are always talking about. And I'm here to teach you each and every single thing that you need to know about forex trading before you start your journey in 2024 or in 2025, 2026, anytime from here. So we good. Let's start with the video, right? So what's forex trading? This is the question we all have in the mind right now. What is forex trading? So let's define it. It's basically the speculation of prices in the financial market whereby you trade one currency against the other. Yes, it's as simple as that. I ask you guys to grab your pen and paper and then write down this definition here. You will advance it later in your own words. So first write this one down here. Forex trading is basically the speculation of prices in the financial market whereby you trade one currency against the other. So that's the simple definition I can give you right now. But if you don't get it, if you don't understand it, it's simple. Don't worry, I'll explain it another time. So right now, let's take the concept here. Let's take this concept here to make it easier for all of us to understand. The concept is trading, right? What is forex trading? So the concept here is trading. This is our keyword here, trading. So when we talk about trading, we all have the idea, we all have the concept of what the traditional trading is. So traditional trading is all basically about buying and selling, right? Buying and selling, and that's exactly what forex trading is. It's all about buying and selling, but what we're going to sell here is not a physical product. We are going to sell the currency which we use. So let's say, for example, yeah, we are selling, let me show you an example right here actually. So let's say we are selling our Australian dollars here against US dollars, right? So as you can see right here, let me show you this one here. There's an arrow here which I put here. So this arrow here, this arrow which you're seeing right now, shows how the market was moving. The market was moving in uptrend, right? So when you see the market moving uptrend, you need to look for buying opportunities. And when you buy when the market is going up, you are most likely to make money. But when you sell while the market is going up, you're going to lose money. So that's the concept here. It's all about buying, as you can see up here. It's all about buying and selling, buying and selling. So you can see right here, let me adjust this one. The market was moving up, as you all can see according to the arrow here. The arrow said the market was going up. So when the market was going up, the best thing you could have done here was to buy. And when you bought from here and then take your profit from here, you would have made a decent amount. So right now, let's say that the market is buying. This is the concept we need to take from here. The forex trading is all about buying and selling, and what we do here, we only sell, we only trade the currencies. So you can see here Australian dollars versus US dollars. So in this one we have different pairs which we trade, the currency we trade. We have minor, and when we have major pairs to trade in the forex market. We have major pairs, minor pairs, and exotic pairs. So when we say major pairs, we are talking about the pairs that's involved US dollar. The minor pairs are the pairs that does not involve US dollar, but they are relatively relevant. But the exotic one are the pairs where US dollar is involved, trading with a less common pair to trade in the financial market, let's say from the third world countries, right? So that's it, guys. So right now, let's take the concept we're about to take here is that forex trading is all about selling and buying, right? This is what you need to write down. Forex trading is all about selling and buying, and you can trade it literally anywhere in the world just using your phones or laptop. You can literally use any device. You can use a PC or a phone. So you can trade this market literally anywhere in the world. You can be underground, you can be anywhere, but you can trade Forex. You can make money from Forex when you have a right skill. So to make money in Forex trading is simply learn how to read the chart, right? Like this one here. You see, I just draw on this line and it showed me how the market was moving. So you need to learn how to read the charts to take profitable trades. So yeah, the concept we have to take in this video is that Forex trading is a speculation of the prices in the financial market. So this market is actually worth 6 trillion every single day. So the market is going to open on Monday. It's Sunday today as I'm recording this video. That's why the market is not moving. So this market is worth $6 trillion every single day, and it's all about buying and selling. And to make money in forex trading, you need to learn how to read the chart. And yeah, that's it. That's his guide. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I have more videos coming for you. If you're a complete beginner or someone who wants to improve his trading, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel because we have more of these videos coming your way. Have a good day. Have a good night. Peace.